Hello friends, welcome to the YouTube channel Civilsteps. So Civilsteps has started one of the important series that is for Prelims 2022. So Target Prelims 2022 initiative of Civilsteps will help students to cover the important topics of history, geography, polity, economy, science, environment, and current affairs. So this Target Prelims 2022 series has started from 19th of December 2021 and will help you to cover more than 1000 important topics for prelims examinations. Target Prelims 2022 has been designed keeping in mind the dynamic nature of the UPSC Civil Services Examinations. Hence, Target 2022 focus on overall preparation of a serious civil services aspirant, and it will sail you through UPSC Civil Services Examination very smoothly. Today, we will discuss important MCQs based on current affairs. So, the first question is, with reference to the Criminal Procedure Identification Bill 2022, consider the following statements. First, it would allow the police and prison authorities to collect, store, and analyze physical and biological samples, including retina and iris scans. Second, the NCRB will be the repository of physical and biological samples, signature and handwriting data that can be preserved for at least 75 years. So, which of the statements given above is or are correct? Option A, one only, B, two only, C, both one and two, D, neither one nor two. So, the correct answer of this question is option C, both one and two. So, this bill would allow the police and prison authorities to collect, store, and analyze physical and biological samples, including retina and iris scans, and it was introduced in the Lok Sabha. So, you can read the prominent bills, the important bills that was introduced in any house of the parliament. So, otherwise, important acts is asked in UPSC prelims examination. Very few bills have been asked, but you should refer important bills that is in current affairs. So let us now discuss question number second. The Indian Air Force, along with which of the following organization, had introduced a fleet card fuel on the move for its varied fleet of vehicles? Option A, Indian Oil Corporation Limited. B, Bharat Petroleum. C, Hindustan Petroleum. D, ONGC. So the correct answer of this question is option A, Indian Oil Corporation Limited. So the IAF along with IOCL has introduced a fleet card fuel on the move for its varied fleet of vehicles. So this was in news because of this issue. So you should refer current affairs from any standard newspaper or any magazine. So let us now discuss question number third. Which of the following is the world's third biggest oil consumer and importer? Option A, India. B, France. C, Germany. D, United Kingdom. So you have to tell the correct answer in the comment section. I'll tell you the correct answer of this question is option A, India. So India's ONGC Videsh Limited has sold at least one cargo of Russian Sokol oil to India refiners, Hindustan Petroleum Corporation and Bharat Petroleum Corporation after failing to draw interest in a tender earlier this month. So let us discuss question number 4. Darlong is a tribal community in which of the following states? Option A, Tripura. B, Kerala. C, Tamil Nadu. D, Punjab. So you can write down your answer in the comment section. The correct answer of this question is option A, Tripura. So the Lok Sabha passed a bill to include the Darlong community as a sub-tribe of the Kuki tribe on the list of scheduled tribes of Tripura. Actually, the scheduled tribe topic is very important from UPSC prelims exam point of view, and in previous years papers, UPSC has asked question on tribal tribal population and specially scheduled tribes, and the important is PVTG groups, that means primitive vulnerable tribal groups. So these are very important, and you should know how many PVTGs are there, and this is already asked in 2018 or 19 prelims examination. You can check it out from official UPSC website, so you can clearly understand the importance of this topic, scheduled tribes and especially PVTGs. So you should also know the name of prominent PVTGs. So this was all about question number 4. Let us discuss question number 5. With reference to the microplastics, consider the following statements. First, microplastics are tiny bits of various types of plastic found in the environment. Second, a study by researchers from the Netherlands found the presence of microplastics in human blood. So, which of the statements given above is or are correct? Option A, one only, B, two only, C, both one and two, D, neither one nor two. So, the correct answer of this question is option C, both one and two. So, a study by researchers from the Netherlands found the presence of microplastics in human blood. So, this was all about fifth question. This microplastic has also asked in one of UPSC previous year's question. So, you can cover it from standard newspapers, standard books, and previous year's question also. So, likewise, you can cover plastic pollution also. So, this microplastic topic is related to pollution. So, pollution topic is very important also. So, you can cover that also from standard resources. So, this was all about today's video. You can subscribe the channel and you can also press the bell icon. Thank you very much.